Right there guys, let's try this again. I've already tinted the connector, and it does get very hot very quick, as you can probably see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is sometimes it's nice to be able to have like 3 hands. I know this wire is going to get really hot, so I'm just going to use a pair of pliers and hold it in place, so but the problem I've got here, holding this in place, is at the wrong angle. That's better. That's better. Hopefully this will solder. If I drop a bit of solder on here, and then hold it in place. Voila. Right, so that's the red one sort of like done. Job done. It's crap when you have to wear glasses to do everything. Job done. Just got to smooth the weld out, the solder out. Brilliant. Yeah, it's still very hot. That's it. It's kind of like sorted. The reason why I put the other end on, because it gets that hot, I don't want the pins to move. And the next video I will show you how to time it all up, and hopefully it'll work. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you later.